Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our front backing plates for the 58 to 65 Cushman Eagles. Finding good straight backing plates for your classic Cushman has become difficult over time. However, with the availability of our new reproduction backing plates, repairing your classic Eagle brake system just got a little easier. Our backing plates are a direct replacement for the 1960 through 65 Eagles, but they can also be used on the 1958 and 59 models if you use the 60 through 65 brake cam. Stamped with precision tooling from high-quality steel, our backing plates will ensure easy installation and superior braking performance. They include the brake cam bushings pre-installed and are clear zinc plated for a long-lasting corrosion resistance. So don't fight rusted and warped originals. Make your brake job easier by buying a new backing plate from Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Cushman at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.